Hello guys, welcome back to Kitsune the Ladies. Today we're gonna unbox the SK2X Maison Kitsune. Don't forget to follow us, subscribe, and open the notification. And here they are, the SK2 Maison X Kitsune box that I got. Isn't it look amazing? And they also give me a tote bag. This is so cute. And inside the tote bag we also got a mini bag. There is also fox in there. So cute, isn't it? Oh my gosh, I'm a fan of fox. This is so amazing. So I'm not gonna talk much in this video, so you guys can enjoy the video in peace. Enjoy! Cute! The fox is so cute! And I think this is just the introduction how we take care of the bag. Let's open this one. Oh, I think this is a wrap envelope for a Chinese New Year that's gonna coming soon. You can just put the money inside of this one, close it, and ready to go. And there is a 5 of them, and then you're just gonna slide it in. Ta-da! Oh my god, there is also reflection on it. So cute. Don't forget subscribe and turn on notifications, guys. And this is the big box. I can't wait to open this one. Inside we got the Peter box as a bonus. This is the Skin Power Advanced Cream. We still also got the facial treatment gentle cleanser and facial treatment clear lotion. So we got 3 items as the bonus. And this is the facial treatment essence that we're waiting for. Oh my god, they designed the box really cute. The color is all rainbow. And look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, isn't it cute? Let's try this out. I'm gonna pour a little on my hand. First of all, I already can smell it so good. I think the texture is also really good on my hand. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification for more.